Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have two new subscriptions from Planything to unbox. I have this planner subscription, little box here or kit here, and then a washi one that I will be sharing in this video. I think I'm going to do a plan with me too featuring these items. If you're interested in purchasing, I have my affiliate link down in the description. Also a 10% off code if you would like to, get a little discount, of course, get a discount on your order. Yeah, I'm going to flip through all the things and show you all the things that come in these subscriptions. Oh, I actually already started opening that one, but I'm going to start with the washi subscription. So in this one, you just get a bunch of washi, and I think they're all like winter themed. Okay, so you get a few rolls of washi. So you have all of these rolls. There's 6 rolls of washi in different patterns. Ooh, I really like this like little speckled spotty kind of like one. Okay, we got some grid, some hexagons, and some scallops, and then a cute little snowman one. So I'm going to take off all the wrapping on here and then roll them out so you can see them a little bit better. All right, so here are all the washi rolls rolled out. We have that thick grid one right here. It's not like a white background. It's a little like beigey, I want to say, and then like a teal line, grid line going through it. And then we have the little snowman one, then the dark blue grid, the gray hexagons. I really love this one right here. It reminds me of like snow, so I think that's really cute. And then we have the gray scallop. Really nice variety of washi, and I love the good like neutral patterned washi that Planything comes out with. I'm always using this kind of washi on my spreads. I just feel like they're really easy to bring into your spreads, and I love the variety of colors that are in this one because I love gray tones and blue tones. So this one's a really nice little pack here. So that is the washi subscription that's coming out, that has come out, if you're interested in purchasing that. And then I'm going to go through this one, which I think might have washi in it too. So you have the option of getting one or the other or both if you want to get both of them. But let's go through this little kit. This one has like a few different goodies in here, a variety. So you get like a sticker book. Oh yeah, there's washi in this one too. Okay. Ooh, we got stamps. This is like little snowflake stamps here. That's really cool. There's 4 washi rolls, which I will unwrap and unroll those. Okay, that's for the stamp. We have some paper here. There's always some really nice like decorative paper included in these. Okay, so here's the paper. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. If you wanted to punch it and put it like as a divider or a cover in your planner, or like someplace you could put like memory keeping on. That one's really nice. Here's the next one. Oh, and I really like the back side too. Here's the next one. You have the view of the mountain and the water and the trees. And then we have snowflakes on the back. And then this one's fun. Winter fun. Skiing and snowboarding. Cute. Okay, so 3 of the papers. And then we have a sticker book, which I will flip through last. Let me just open this up first. So we do have this Winter Day sticker book, and it is a 20-page sticker book. All right, so let me unwrap these and then swatch them so you can see them a little bit better. All right, so got a little closer view. Again, this is a 20-page sticker book. Here's the first sheet. You got all the little winter house scenes here. You get 2 sheets like that. Next one, more of the blue tones on this one. Like a little city. I like the buildings, like the row houses. It's cute. And then some snowflakes, all the cozy stuff on this page. You need to get 2 of those. Some boxes and bullet points. This one is super adorable because I love scenes. So this one's going to be really cute to use in a scene. I might have to use this one actually in a spread. But you got like the little lift and then the snowboarders and skiers. Oh my goodness. They're tubing and with the snowball, or making the snowball fight. Cute. That one's really cute. Oh, there's only one sheet. Oh no, I skipped. Okay, sorry. There were 2 sheets of those. I wanted to make sure because I really, really like this one. This one's really, really cute. Then you have Valentine's Day themed here. All the hearts. Ooh, I really like the New Year's, the fireworks and the banners. Those are cute. And then you got boxes. Boxes and circle stickers and bullet points. And then we have some quotes. It's cold outside, warm winter wishes, winter fun, Valentine's Day, winter is my favorite season. And you get 2 sheets of those. Okay, so that is the Winter Days sticker book. It is a 20-page sticker book, but you do get duplicate sheets of each. So there's 10 designs in there. Okay, so that's the paper, the sticker book, the 4 rolls of washi, and then of course the little stamp kit there that you get in this little subscription. And then of course the washi subscription. So those are your options that are releasing today. I'm gonna take this and do a plan with me. Again, if you're interested in purchasing, definitely check out my affiliate link down in the description and discount code before you purchase. Definitely want to at least get a discount on your order if you plan on placing one. But I'm just going to take this book and do a quick little plan with me now featuring the Winter Days sticker book. Some Simply Layout page, or a page from Simply Layouts that I can use in a spread. And like I said, I'm going to do this little ski theme right here because I think this is super adorable. This will make for an adorable, easy spread to do on this sheet because I love all the things. Okay, so we got like a little mountain scene here. Let's put that on the page. Ooh, this is like an opaque kind. That's cool. Okay, so we'll do the mountain scene here. And then I do want to get some boxes down too. I'll go to the boxes. Okay, I really like this longer box and I will layer these. This here. Actually, maybe I should put it on the edge a little bit. Okay, and then I'll layer this purple box on top. And let's see about a decorative element. Okay, so I really like, I want to add a tree. Let's do this tree over here to cover up that edge right there. I didn't like that it was kind of cut off a little bit. All right, we'll put a little skier girl. She'll be like here. Okay, so she's doing her thing there. And then I really want to put this little lift situation over here. Oh, you know what? Let me cover this up. This little section here. Okay, and then I'll put this down here. This is always like a free area for me to decorate with. I'll put the mountains down here. Okay. And then I kind of want to put this coming off this way. Okay, and then I'll put, oh my goodness, this little guy is cute. I should put him on the top right here. It's funny. But you know what? I kind of want to do a little bit of space so that way there's space to write in right there. So I feel like I don't want to block the whole area, but I feel like he needs to go on the page because it's super funny. Okay. Oh, I forgot about this page too. I have all this too. I can do, oh, let's do a little cabin up here on the top. See how it comes together so quickly? Love it. Okay, and then I'm going to do a little cabin, little house. I'll do it over here. Oops. It's a little crooked, but that's okay. All right, there's still space to write, so that's good. And then let me just stick down some boxes. Sorry, I'm like out of frame. Okay, let me grab some of these boxes. All right, so I got pink. Let me put a pink box over here. And then I think I want a circle box, or circle box, a circle, not a circle box. Circle there. We'll do a circle over here. Another box. Should I do another box? Yeah, a gray box here. Great, looks good. And then I can do some bullet points. I want this blue color in some areas that I didn't put anything. I can do a couple of bullet points. And then one here, and I can do one here. I like to be like cohesive with the bullet points going around the spread a little bit. Okay, at least every box has like a functional thing, except for this one. Maybe I can do, it kind of has this box, so I'm gonna let that one slide. Okay, and then let's see. I just want to add more because I love the stickers. I could do, I could do this like winter fun, or winter is my favorite season. Where can I fit that? Yeah, I'm gonna go with winter fun because I can fit it over here. Let's just do it here. Winter fun. Now, I want to add some washi because I feel like I should incorporate that in. I have these right here. Let's see how this one looks. Okay, I'm just going to go with this here. A little bit on the bottom. This one's the washi that came with this kit, with this subscription. They kind of look like mountains. Little washi here, little washi there. Let's see, where else can I add washi? Let's see. Let's just do it a little bit in the middle here. Let's see how this looks. If I just kind of sprinkle it in a little bit. I don't have a lot of space. Maybe I can add a little bit here just to get it around the spread. Oh, that's cute. Okay, super easy, super quick, and absolutely adorable. I kind of don't like that this is kind of floating, but let's see if I can fix that actually. I can do this purple. Nah, we're gonna leave it. We're not gonna let it bother me that it's doing that, but it looks cute. All right, I love how that turned out. I love the colors too, like the purple with the pink and then the like tealy green color. So cute, love it. Okay, so that is the Winter Days sticker book, all the washi, all the things that come with this subscription. And then of course, don't forget about the washi subscription. Also, that is currently available to purchase. All right, so that is everything for this new release from Planything. Super adorable. Love all the stickers per usual. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.